Hello friends, welcome to this exciting journey into the world of computer programming. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating subject that has revolutionized the way we interact with technology. Today, we're stepping into the exciting world of computer programming. It's a field that has transformed our lives in countless ways, from the smartphones we use every day to the complex systems that run our cities. Imagine telling a computer what to do, like creating a game or making an app. It's like having a superpower where you can bring your ideas to life with just a few lines of code. That's what programming is all about. It's a collaborative and creative process that allows us to solve problems and build amazing things together. We'll be exploring a special language called C. This language is like the foundation of many other programming languages you might have heard of, such as C++, Java, and even Python. C programming was born a long time ago, back in the 1970s. It was a time when computers were just starting to become more accessible, and there was a need for a powerful yet simple language to program them. A brilliant man named Dennis Ritchie created it at Bell Labs. He was a visionary who saw the potential of computers and wanted to make programming more efficient and effective. It was like inventing a new way to talk to computers, and it changed everything. The creation of C was a monumental step in the history of computing, paving the way for the development of modern software. C became super popular because it was simple and powerful. It allowed programmers to write code that was both efficient and easy to understand, making it a favorite among developers. Just like we use languages like English or Hindi to communicate with each other, programmers use C to talk to computers. It's a universal language that has stood the test of time and continues to be relevant even today. From operating systems to embedded systems, C is everywhere. It's the backbone of many critical applications and systems that we rely on daily. Learning C can open up a world of opportunities for you. Whether you're interested in developing software, working on hardware, or even pursuing a career in cybersecurity, C provides a strong foundation. There are countless resources available to help you learn C, from online tutorials and courses to books and coding boot camps. No matter your background or experience level, you can start learning C today. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Let's dive into the world of C programming and discover the endless possibilities it offers. Happy coding! Now, you might wonder, why is C so important? It's a question that has intrigued many, especially those new to the world of programming and computer science. The C programming language has been around for decades, and its significance has only grown over time. But what makes it so indispensable in the tech world? Well, think of your computer like a car. Just as a car needs a powerful engine to run smoothly, your computer needs a robust foundation to operate efficiently. This is where C comes into play. The engine is the most important part, right? Without it, the car wouldn't move. Similarly, C acts as the engine for many computer systems, providing the necessary power and control to keep everything running seamlessly. C is like the engine of many computer systems. It's the backbone that supports the entire structure, ensuring that all components work together harmoniously. From the smallest microcontroller to the largest supercomputer, C is there, making sure everything functions as it should. It's used to build operating systems, which are like the brains of your computer. Remember Windows or Mac OS? These operating systems are crucial for managing hardware and software resources, and C plays a pivotal role in their development. Yes, C was used to create those, but that's not all. The versatility of C extends far beyond just operating systems. It's a language that has been used to develop a wide range of applications, from simple programs to complex software systems. C is also used in creating software for everything from your phone to your gaming console. It's everywhere. Whether you're browsing the internet, playing a game, or using an app, there's a good chance that C is working behind the scenes. Its efficiency, speed, and reliability make it a go-to choice for developers worldwide. So the next time you use any electronic device, remember that C is likely playing a crucial role in making it all possible. What makes C so special are its superpowers: simplicity, efficiency, and flexibility. C is simple to learn compared to some other programming languages. It's like learning the alphabet before writing a story. C is also super efficient. It can make programs run really fast, just like a cheetah. And lastly, C is flexible. You can use it to create all sorts of programs for different purposes. It's like having a magic wand that can do anything. C's influence on the programming world is huge. It's like the wise old tree that inspired the growth of many other trees. Languages like C++, Java, and even Python have roots in C. They borrowed ideas and concepts from C, making it a true pioneer. Just like learning the basics of cooking helps you become a better chef, learning C can make you a stronger programmer in any language you choose. Real-world heroes where C shines. Where can you find C in action? The answer might surprise you. Well, it's like asking where you can find heroes. Just as heroes are often unseen but always present, C is the unsung hero of the programming world. C is everywhere, quietly working behind the scenes to make our digital world possible. From the moment you wake up and check your phone to the time you set your alarm at night, C is there, ensuring everything runs smoothly. As we talked about before, operating systems like Windows and Linux rely heavily on C. These systems form the backbone of our digital lives, managing hardware and software resources efficiently. But it doesn't stop there. C's influence extends far beyond just operating systems. C is also the backbone of embedded systems, which are like tiny computers inside everyday devices. These systems are crucial for the functionality of countless gadgets we use daily. Think of your microwave, your TV remote, or even your car. They all use C. These devices rely on embedded systems to perform specific tasks efficiently and reliably. In the medical field, C is used in life-saving equipment like pacemakers and MRI machines. These devices require precise and reliable software to function correctly, and C provides that stability. Aviation is another area where C shines. Flight control systems, navigation systems, and even in-flight entertainment systems are often programmed in C, ensuring safety and reliability in the skies. In our homes, smart devices like thermostats, lighting systems, and security cameras use C to provide seamless and efficient control. These devices make our lives more convenient and are powered by the robust capabilities of C. Even in the world of entertainment, C plays a vital role. Many gaming consoles and video games are developed using C, providing high-performance and immersive experiences for gamers around the world. In industrial settings, C is used to program robots and automated systems that manufacture products with precision and efficiency. These systems are the backbone of modern manufacturing. And let's not forget about the internet. Network servers and data centers, which form the infrastructure of the internet, often run on software written in C. This ensures that data is processed and transmitted quickly and reliably. So as you can see, C is truly everywhere. It's the silent force that powers our digital world, making modern life as we know it possible. From the smallest embedded systems to the largest data centers, C is the hero we often overlook but can't live without. Now, you might be thinking, this is all great, but I'm just starting. Is C right for me? Absolutely. Learning C is like building a strong foundation for a house. It teaches you the core concepts of programming, like how computers think and how to give them instructions. Once you understand these fundamentals, learning other programming languages will be much easier. It's like learning to ride a bicycle. Once you master the balance, you can ride any bike. Let's take a little peek into what C code looks like. Don't worry, you don't need to understand everything just yet. Just get a feel for it. Hash include int main. Print hello world. Return 0. This simple code tells the computer to print the words hello world on the screen. Pretty cool, right? As you learn more, you'll be able to write code to do all sorts of amazing things. You might wonder if C is still important today with so many new programming languages popping up. The answer is a resounding yes. C is like the evergreen tree that stays strong and tall throughout the years. It's still widely used in various industries because of its speed, efficiency, and reliability. So, learning C is not just about learning an old language, it's about acquiring a timeless skill that will always be in demand. Congratulations! You've just taken your first steps into the fascinating world of C programming. Remember, learning to code is like embarking on an exciting adventure. There will be challenges along the way, but don't give up. With practice and perseverance, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. So, embrace the challenge, have fun, and get ready to create something amazing with the power of C.